Hey everybody, so this is a 2012 Hyundai Tucson. The windshield wiper pump went out on it, I guess about a few months ago. Yeah, when we was getting some rain and stuff. When you hit the windshield wiper cleaner, the windshield wipers would come on, but the fluid wouldn't spit out. So after doing some research, I narrowed it down to the pump right here, which was really easy to swap out. Here's the old one, and the best way to figure out how it was bad is it takes two people. Somebody have to get in the car and activate the windshield wiper pump, and there was no noise coming from it, and I couldn't find a fuse or anything, so I kind of ruled out that it was a fuse. So anyway, I went and got a new pump. Got this at Advanced Auto Parts. And you can see windshield wiper pumps. Pretty easy to install. You just unhook that wire harness right there, and it'll pop right. Use the screwdriver and just wedge it on out of there. Put the new one in, plugged it up, and it started working. So it's a pretty simple process. You don't even have to take any parts off. Luckily, this fender here, I guess, is broke, so I didn't even have to worry about removing the fender, because it was already exposed there for me. So they might already had to work on this thing, and maybe that's why that's like that. I don't know. But anyway, this is a 2012 Hyundai Tucson, and this is the windshield wiper pump, and this is just to get the the windshield wiper cleaner, the fluid to come out when you activate it with the switch inside the car. Don't really know how else to explain it. It's a pretty simple process. If you got any questions, just comment and I'll do my best to answer your question. But like I said, just probably took maybe 5 minutes to swap out. So don't try to save the fluid, because you're not going to be able to save the fluid. Just let it run out. It's been already dried up, but yeah, I had to let all that fluid run out of there. But outside of that, pretty easy and clean process. So again, it's a 2012 Hyundai Tucson, and I swapped out the windshield wiper pump to get the fluid out of the reservoir here. So hope y'all having a good day, and I'll talk to you later.